Making your first $1,000 online feels big, but once you understand what works, it becomes simple. Today, I'll show you the fastest and most realistic ways to earn your first 1,000, even if you're starting from scratch. Before we dive in, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my money-making videos. One of the quickest ways is offering a digital skill. Video editing, copywriting, social media management, graphics, or UGC. Businesses pay $100 to $300 per project, so just a few clients get you to $1,000. Create 3 to 5 samples and message small brands or creators directly. Another fast method is freelancing on Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can offer simple services like subtitles, background removal, rewriting, virtual assistants, or Canva designs. These small tasks add up fast, and beginners can hit $1,000 in a month. You can also make money by reselling items like phones, thrifted clothes, shoes, gadgets, or furniture on Facebook Marketplace, Gigi, or eBay. Even a $20 profit per item gets you to $1,000 with enough volume. Another powerful method is creating digital products like templates, guides, PDFs, planners, or eBooks. Sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. A $10 product sold 100 times brings in $1,000, and you only create it once. Affiliate marketing is another fast path. Earn by recommending products. Promote books, gadgets, software, or tools on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. One high-ticket sale can earn $100 to $200. You can also teach what you know, like fitness, cooking, makeup, language, or academic skills. Charge $20 to $50 per class or $100 for one-on-one sessions. A few clients is all you need. Finally, UGC content creation pays well even if you have 0 followers. Brands need videos for ads and social media. You can earn $100 to $300 per video. Pick one method, stay consistent for 30 days, and your first $1,000 will come faster than you think. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment which method you'll start with today.